When Tracy Hunter became a Hamilton County juvenile judge in 2010, she became the first African American elected to that bench. In an exclusive interview, Hunter told me she faced political headwinds from day one, especially since her election win faced numerous legal challenges.
I mean, the prosecutors were hostile when I walked in the door, and so there was nothing normal even about my daily work.
Hunter claims things came to a head in 2014 when a jury convicted her of illegally helping her brother keep his job with the county. Judge Norbert Nadel sentenced Hunter to 6 months in jail, time she's yet to serve.
I did not commit a crime. You have to look at the entire picture. You have to view the history of the case.
The history of the case against Hunter includes multiple appeals court decisions that say Hunter received a fair trial. The latest came from a federal judge in May. That means Hunter has a Monday morning hearing before Judge Patrick Dinkellocker. He will decide if Hunter should spend half a year in a cell at the Justice Center or if another sentence would be more appropriate. In a statement released today, the Black Lawyers Association of Cincinnati asked Dinkellocker to impose no time behind bars. The statement notes Hunter has no prior convictions and has worked to positively impact the community as pastor of the Western Hills Brethren in Christ Church. Retired Judge Norbert Nadel, who presided over the original trial, is convinced the sentence he imposed remains the right decision.
She was a public official who violated a public trust, and there was a sentence of incarceration by me, which I feel is was appropriate, considering she was a public official.
Now, I spoke to Wednesday Shipp. She's the president of the Black Lawyers Association of Cincinnati today. She made it clear the statement the BLAC released is not on behalf of Judge Hunter. Instead, it's the position of the group that Hunter receive either probation or a sentence less than jail time. For her part, Tracy Hunter is calling for total vindication. She wants to be back on the bench. Reporting live downtown, Todd Dykes, WWT News 5.
All right.